Cooltec Cooling is an R&D and production team composed of engineers from Fortune 500 companies with more than 20 years of experience in the air conditioning industry. Ensure rich OEM and ODM experience so that the new product development cycle can be controlled within 2 weeks, and rapid delivery is guaranteed. Our components are from world-renowned brands, and we also support customers to choose components freely. All important steps in production are installed by hand, guaranteeing strictly forbidden quality control. Each air conditioner undergoes a strict 6-step inspection before delivery, and 100% of all inspections are carried out.